Okay, so check this out right over here. We are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on the noise reduction sleep earplugs that we are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review and test, we are going to open everything up, and then after that, we're going to put these earplugs to a test. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so without getting any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. So right over here, when I open this up, we get the instruction menu guide if you want to learn more information about it. And right over here, we get in a one pair that it comes with 4 sets of earplugs that you can see here. It's definitely a huge plus for them to provide 4 sets of the earplugs in case by any chance if it gets lost. You have all of these sets right over here. And this right over here is a silicone case that you can see here, so you can put your earplugs inside so that way they don't get lost. So if I open this up, you can see that you could put them inside whenever you're not using it. It also comes with a handle as well too, which is really cool. And one thing to keep in mind is that the material of these earplugs are made of a silicone material, which is really nice and soft, especially for your ears. So they, they're not going to get in the way or like discomfort you when you're wearing them. So it's going to be very soft, and when I'm holding it, it feels very lightweight and soft, so that is really also a huge plus as well too. But it'll definitely come in handy when it comes to, for things like traveling, or if you're trying to sleep, or if there's like noise disturbance and, there's like a lot of noise and background going on and you're like getting disturbed. This would definitely also come in hand. But what we're going to do now is that we are going to take a pair of these and we are going to put this to a test too. And then after that, I'm going to come back and give you guys my feedback on how well these earplugs work. Okay, so I just got back putting these earplugs to a test, and one thing I do want to say about these earplugs is that they are, the noise reduction, you definitely do not hear anything when it comes to, these earplugs. They definitely do the job like what is intended. So, and one thing I love about these earplugs is that they are really super soft and comfortable. You cannot, when you wear it on, you can't even tell that you're wearing them. And also it feels very soft and comfortable. As you guys know, like I told you guys before, they're made of a silicone material. You can see here how, small compact size they are, and they definitely do the job like what is intended. So it also comes with a handlebar right over here. But once I wear them on, it definitely keeps the noise and background out. This product would definitely come in hand when it comes to things like traveling, or if you're trying to, you're like a side sleeper, you're trying to sleep or something like that, or you're just wanting to, you're at a location where there's too much noise, and you're trying to keep the noise reduction out. This would definitely come in hand as well too. I also love the fact that it comes with a bag as well too that you can see here. So whenever you're not using it, you just store it inside here so that way it doesn't get lost. And I also do love the fact that this product, as you guys know, it comes with the 4 sets as well too, but it comes in different sizes as well too. So if you have like a little bigger ear or a larger ear, this would also come in hand. So you have different sets, so you could have it to according to however your ear size is. So other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it does the job what is intended. So it keeps the noise reduction out as well too. It's also made of a silicone material as well that you can see here. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something to keep noise reduction out and you're planning on doing traveling, or you're trying to sleep and you want noise reduction out. This product right over here will definitely do the job, and I would definitely recommend this product.